How to fix microphone not working in NVIDIA broadcast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through fixing microphone issues in NVIDIA broadcast. If your mic isn't being detected or working properly, don't worry, I'll explain some simple solutions to get it up and running again. So let's dive in. The first thing you should try is restarting the NVIDIA broadcast app. Apps can occasionally glitch, and restarting them often resolves these minor issues. Make sure the app is fully closed before reopening it to see if this fixes the problem. If that doesn't work, the issue might be related to your system's sound settings. Check your microphone settings to ensure it's enabled and set as the default input device. Select the right microphone from the list in your system's sound setting under the input options. Next, you'll want to check your sound control panel. This is where all the connected microphones are listed. Look for your primary microphone, ensure it's enabled, and set it as the default recording device if it isn't already. In some cases, simply re-enabling the microphone can solve the problem. Once that's done, you can reopen NVIDIA Broadcast to check if the issue is resolved. Another thing to verify is that the microphone is not muted with the NVIDIA Broadcast app. Go to the microphone settings in the app and confirm that the correct input device is selected. If you're still having trouble, here are a few extra tips. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Check that the NVIDIA Broadcast app is updated to the latest version. Test the microphone in other applications to rule out the hardware issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your microphone issues in NVIDIA Broadcast. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.